In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Google Chrome browser on Windows 11 for a complete installation. Whether you're setting up your brand new computer or simply want to switch to a more versatile browser, installing Google Chrome is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First, we need to open the Microsoft Edge browser. This browser is conveniently pre-installed on all Windows 11 computers, so you should be able to find it easily. Simply go to your Start menu and search for Edge if it's not visible on your taskbar. Once Edge is opened, directing your browser to the Chrome download page is our next step. To do this, click on the address bar at the top of the Edge browser window. Type in google.com Chrome, then press Enter on your keyboard. You'll now find yourself on the official Google Chrome download page. Here, you'll see a prominent button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click this button. A pop-up will appear shortly after clicking, asking you to accept and install. This is Google's way of confirming you've read and agreed to their terms of service and privacy policies. Simply click the button to proceed. With that click, the Chrome setup.exe file should automatically start downloading to your system. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you'll see the file appear at the bottom of your browser window. It's also being saved to your Downloads folder by default, which you can access through the File Explorer. When the download is complete, initiate the installation by clicking on the downloaded file in the browser, or head over to your Downloads folder and double-click it there. As you open the file, your system might ask for permission to run the installer. This will be a user account control prompt, and it's completely normal. You simply need to click Yes to allow the process to move forward. After you've given permission, you'll see the installation begin. Now, it's just a matter of waiting. The installer will fetch and set up all necessary components of Google Chrome, and you don't need to do anything during this time. Just sit back and let it work. Once the installation is fully complete, Google Chrome will automatically launch, bringing you straight to the welcoming start page. From here, you can personalize your new browser setup, import bookmarks from another browser, or just jump straight into exploring the web with your new Chrome browser. And there you have it, a complete installation of Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing faster and more securely with Google Chrome.